been a privilege to work alongside with him. An honour actually to have him feature on my song. He's a hard worker, fast worker too. Yeah, so just gets the job done, and yeah, mean work he has, his style and music. So yeah, very grateful and blessed. Yeah, I've always been into music. Growing up with my parents and grandparents, listening to reggae, country, yeah, so all that type of genre I've always been into. And then I've also been BVs with House of Shem as well, so it's helped a bit, yeah. Oh yeah, into my kapa haka, yep, right. Not a performer, but yeah, always been brought up into it. Yeah, yeah, I wrote this waita. It's a love song. You can make it about anyone. Yeah, so it took me about a week to have it in my head, and then took a couple of hours to record it. So yeah, no, it was beautiful. It was a day of work, or maybe about 6 hours or so. Not really new in front of the cameras, because I used to do a lot of modelling back in my day, but yeah, no, it was good, easy team to work with as well. Yeah. Oh, this was in 2018-19, when I was a little bit more like slimmer. Yeah, but that's sort of boosted my confidence too, and that helped with my music video. So yeah. Oh yep. So I'm working on some more waita. Yeah, bit of a different genre. I might just stick to some dancehall or reggae, or some old school reggae. My inspirations growing up were Judy Mowat. She was, yeah, I always used to hear her music growing up. Yeah. Oh, just the old rootsy reggae. Like, I've always listened to a bit of Peter Tosh, Aswad, and yeah, a bit different for my age anyway. And but my family always say I'm an old soul, so yeah. Just keep pushing. Yeah, just because it's our Māori rangatahi and our wahine are quite shy too. So I think I was blessed to have Te Omeka help me, because he pushed me a lot. I always doubted myself. I thought, oh no, I'm not going to do that. No, I'm all good. I'm just a shower singer sort of person. But yeah, yeah, just keep pushing on. Just do what you love. Yeah, and I hope this inspires our people, our mana wahine. I hope it pushes out, and once I get more music out there, hopefully I can travel and even outside of Aotearoa. So yeah, something to do with travelling and that. Yeah, it'd be cool. This is kia ora, this is Mereana Cooper. My new single, Loving a Boy, is out, and the video is dropping today at 6 p.m. Yeah. Thank you. Feels so right. In his arms, I found my place.